Alright, what's up? Quad Squad back at it with another one. You want to see my hot tub setup? Well, number one, this is my like enclosure wall. It's like polyvinyl, kind of really thick shit. Then there's a zipper here, and there's a zipper over here to make it a door so I can get in and out. Then I got a curtain, which is an extra wall of insulation, so I can go in the hot tub in the winter. Now I'm going to show you the rest. Yeah.
One time?
You can click it twice. You gotta get the heat going.
Oh yeah.
Bam, 2 clicks and then you got it heated.
Great.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I'd be in here every day, honestly. Every day after dinner, I just
True.
think about that night.
Alright, so here's the new hot tub setup. Canadian Spa Co. Yeah, I invested in the real deal this time. So I got a hot tub cover flip off thing. And then I've got that standing ceiling track set up and I put some LEDs on it. Of course, you gotta get pumping with the LEDs. I've got a power cord going along the top of it to bring the multi-plug over here. Of which, yeah, and then I've got my my lights around the border of it. Then I got curtain, 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 and then I've got a vinyl tarp on the outside just to add some extra. And then down here, Wakely, watch out! Wakely, come on, heel. So down there, I 3D printed some clamps to clamp the curtain to the wall, so that when I back up into this spot, so I can lift up and into the hot tub, that I don't get them caught in my wheel. So there's that. And yeah, so that's going. I always bring my lift in to charge it inside so I don't ever have a dead lift. And then yeah, besides that, I got some clamps down on these one. Oh shit. Got some clamps down on this one and on this one. So for when I close it. And then yeah, you'll see a little bit, there's a little bit of tarp that you can see around. I'll take my PSW to show you that. Take it, and then point it and go around the corner so you can see the sides. Right, so then I put insulation up there into the vent up there so that it holds the steam and the heat from the hot tub. You can go from under and look up. Yeah, so I just got garbage bags, put insulation in it, and then I just got my mom to shove it up there and then tape it up there. That way it holds in the heat. Because, you know, the steaming up is going to add a lot of heat to the enclosure. So that with the heater, with the enclosure that I've figured out, certainly works. You know, this lamp heater made all the difference, like all the difference. I was trying like a bunch of heaters that blows heat, but none of them actually like made a big difference. I'd have to have them blowing directly at me, but this one actually, I think because it pushes the heat down, that it keeps the heat hot in here, especially with it being right over me when I'm getting out of the wheelchair and into the hot tub. Well, what you do is you flip that side open over this one. Yeah. And then you pull that side towards you. So pull the bottom part towards you. There's a handle on the cover down there. Yeah, and pull it. Bam. You can keep it folded down. Yeah. Wakely, come on. Wakely, come. Okay. All right. There's a bunch of jet hot tub. Yo, can you go turn on the lights over there? So you squeeze in beside it or lean over wherever. Alright, so here it is. It's the Canada Spa Company Montreal. So it's a 3-person, there's a lounger on that side. Good seat there, good seat here. This one has like jets that go to your shoulder and all down your back. Over there is a whole shitload of jets all down your back, some at your legs, some at your feet. This one's just a regular seat with a bunch of jets. It's got a filter compartment, holds 2 filters. It's got a waterfall over there. It's got speakers built into it, Bluetooth. And yeah, it's awesome. It goes up to like 103, 104. It's got sweet LED. It also has a scent holder right there. I mean, I don't really find that the scent holder really makes all that difference. It, like, you put beads in it, and then you can like control the amount of jets you want on each side and stuff like that. But yeah, I love it. It's honestly so worth the investment. So worth the investment. I paid about, I think about 7,000 because I got through uh, Home Depot. They sell it for about 10 if you get it directly from Canada Spawn Company, but going through Home Depot, I got it for about 7 grand, between 7 to 8 grand. Oh, that is the Bluetooth. Push the button. Yeah.
Oh, so you can even listen to music?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And then the jet button is beside the light button.
I just clicked this one.
Yeah. Well, just click it and the high speed will come on. You can't miss it. So there we go. That's what high speed jets. Shoulders and oh, beautiful. So that's our plan. I test it once a week and etc. Alright, you can turn off the jet now. But anyways, that's my hot tub. And I'll show you a little video of how I get into it. Yeah, so I get a sling on, and I come out here with the lift, I hook me up, and I fly away. Well, yeah, take it. We can put that on. Yeah. I get like I have a skirt. Grab from the end. Yeah, pull from the end. Bam. Okay, let's go there. Take it, just take it. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
It's stuck.
It's not stuck to shit. You just don't want to hurt me. Let's get naked. Hot tub. Woo! Simplicity. So much easier than the last hot tub. Alright. Let's cook.
Oh,
Let's cook my butt. I like it hot. Woo! Nice stop right there. Oh, that's the shit right there. Oh yeah, it's hot. It's a hot tamale. Woo! That's good. Yeah, that's good.
what smellies do you want?
The brown ones, and I think we might need some foam stuff.
Okay.
And Alexa, yeah. Well, boys and girls, this is how I do my hot tub now. Way easier than the last one. Way better than the last one. And it's just simplicity, man. Yeah. If you can invest in something good, invest in something good. Makes it way easier than just simplicity. The cord might be on the ground. So I 3D printed that holder that holds Alexa. So there's a little thing that clamps onto her. And then you just stick a hook on the side of the lip. And then there you go. You got Alexa just chilling with you. And then what I tend to do is go over here and strap myself to the pole so that when I turn the jets on full blast, I don't float away. So I can get all that deep jets into my muscles. My big old muscles. Bruh.
Not lower?
Yeah, a little bit. And can you pull the sling so it's on my head? So it's around it. There you go.
Also turning the jets off
Good.
and turning them back on.
Yep. And can you turn the jets more to my way?
It's switch this.
Yeah.
Which way? That way?
Keep going. And turn on the waterfall. And I got a waterfall.
Okay, are you good for now?
Yeah. Yo, can you take the GoPro? Alexa, play some music. I put my feet up here, and then I push my legs, so it pushes my back up against the jet, so I can get a good one, you know? So I do this. Push me all the way up there. Then you get a good massage in the back. Right in the back, man. Alexa, play. Alexa, play When I Grow Up.
Hopefully when I grow up in human times, I was on music.
Yeah, take a seat. Let me tell you about ridiculous dreams. I want to rap. Yeah, I know it's hard to believe, and I can see you already thinking I'll never succeed, but I hope I just want to make a couple meals, dance to the fam in the will. Oh yeah, I just want some record deal, maybe buy a house within the hills. Oh yeah, might not be the best of my field, but I guarantee that I'ma die real when I grow up. Yeah, hey, when I grow up. Yeah.
Alright, so what's up, Quad Squad? What's up? You know, repping the T dot. You know, Quad Squad, you know, back at it with another one. And, you know, I love my hot tub, and, you know, but we gotta be able to use it year round, whether you're in a chair or you're not in a chair, you know. And I think my MacGyver of an outdoor enclosure for the hot tub, you know, if it's gonna work for me, and I'm a quad and I hate cold, like, bro, I would never go out there if there wasn't an enclosure and there wasn't some way to have heat in there. So, you know, it works. You know, it's been many variations to get it to this good. But, you know, I think it's good now. And if you guys, you know, want some of the equipment, like my little clips that screw into the wall on the fence and hold the curtain down, or the thing that adds weight to the bottom of the curtain that just is at the entrance, you know, leave it down in the comments. Please let me know, guys, what you thought of the video. If you're thinking about a hot tub, what hot tub you thinking about. You know, if you haven't seen my other hot tub video, check out this video up here. You know, it shows you all the variations of hot tubs that I had and how I got to this setup. And then YouTube has a video up here, says you're gonna like that one. Anyways, you know, thanks for coming, guys. I really appreciate you guys keep coming back. You know, I love you guys. You know, we keep coming back. We're going to Costa Rica in a week or two. Yo, it's gonna be fire, man. And yeah, I'm gonna make so much content on that. Anyways, hit you on the next one. Peace.